Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. So how are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you how to use banana and rose water plus glycerin to have that flawless, younger and a more glowing skin. Now you're actually going to be seeing me apply this, like you're going to see how it's going to perform wonders on my skin, literally. Okay, so if you're new, you're welcome. If you're not new, you are a darling. Okay guys, so before we go into the video, do not forget to thumbs up the video here, subscribe here, turn on that post notification and click all and share somewhere here. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so to wake up your skin and have that glow plus a beautiful skin, you're going to be needing sugar. Sugar contains the smaller granite particles that helps to scrub out dead skin cells on the skin. So when you use it over time, it's going to, just some few days, it's going to make your skin look babyish. Okay, so we're gonna be taking 2 tablespoons of the sugar, 2 tablespoons of the sugar into here. Now you can use brown sugar or white sugar, anyone you have in your house. You can literally just make use of it. Okay, so we're going to be needing rose water. Now rose water helps for toning the skin and moisturizing it, and it calms the redness of an irritated skin, making your skin look lighter by removing the dead layer of your skin. So I'm gonna be taking 1 tablespoon of rose water into the bowl, and we're gonna be mixing it together first. Okay, just like this. Okay, so we're equally going to be making use of honey. Now honey is a great skin moisturizing agent. It helps so much to moisturize the skin, make the skin look even. It allows product to get into the skin basically. Okay, so you have to use an organic honey, and I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons of this honey. Okay, so after putting that in, we're going to be stirring it, and this is so beautiful. Now after that is done, we're literally gonna be making use of banana. Now banana is great for the skin, guys. It is moisturizing, it is tightening, and it is rejuvenating. Okay, so you see that's how important that is. So I'm gonna be taking just one of this, and I would have to blend it. Okay guys, so we're going to be putting in the banana into the bowl and then mixing it up really well, just like this. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be needing potato, and this is sweet potato, so you have to use a sweet potato. So I've actually pre-boiled my potato, and gonna be slicing it and then blending it basically. Okay, so for this particular one, use sweet potato. Okay, but if you do not or cannot get sweet potato, you can as well use the normal potato. Okay, and then I'll put in a little water. And then I will blend it. Okay guys, so this is it. Yep, it looks so super nice, and I'm gonna be transferring that into the bowl, and then I would have to stir it up really good. Okay, this is so yummy. It's going to be so nice on the skin. Like, I can't wait to apply this on my skin basically. Okay, so let's go apply it on the face, and let me show you how, you know, this is going to transform your skin. So this is our treatment, and this is our amazing and very, you know, effective treatment. And I actually refrigerated it for a little while so that it could be more effective. And this is what I did. I wet my face up, okay, so that when I apply this is actually going to, you know, get deep into my skin and, you know, remove all of those things. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna be and this. Okay guys, so you would have to apply this generously, guys. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be using my hands, although I have my brush. Let me try which one is going to be more effective for me, okay, to use. Wow, this is actually really helping to smooth out my skin. Okay, so let me use my brush. I think this is actually going to be much better. I think using the brush is kind of better because it's actually get into my pores and uproot, you know, some of those white hairs and black hair. Okay, so after which I'll scrub it with this sponge. I'm gonna be waiting for a little while. Okay, I'm gonna be applying it. Okay, I'll wait for a little while. Again. Whoopsie, Okay, so I'm gonna wait for a little while and I'm gonna go wash it out. Trust me, this is going to help you glow, like literally. Like, I love the way it is on my skin right now, and see. Okay guys, so that's it. This is actually amazing. It's powerful. It's actually very strong. It is very good on the skin. So you go give this a try, give it a little time, be consistent, and you're going to be seeing a huge result. Okay, so I'll see you again in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye guys.